What's up everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, you may waste your lots of time on Instagram by liking other people picture on Instagram, by following other people account. But guys, what if you can earn money? Yes guys, you can earn actual dollar for this simple work. You have to like other people on Instagram, you have to follow other people on Instagram, and for this simple work guys, you will get actual dollar which you can withdraw directly into your PayPal account. Yes guys, this is the beauty of my method. You can withdraw your money directly into your PayPal account, and this is the worldwide opportunity. Now you just have to like picture and follow other people on Instagram, and for that you will get paid directly into your PayPal account. Honestly guys, you are not going to be a rich with this method, but yeah, you can make $200 to $300 every week by following simple method. I will show you everything on live screen with the proof. This is the beauty of my channel guys. I only make video on that topic which I personally follow and make money online. So guys, if you are new on my channel, then please do not forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Here you will find quality content about social media marketing, make money online, freelancing work, and everything in between. So guys, without wasting any time, now let me show you my website on which you just have to like people on Instagram and you will get paid directly into your PayPal account. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, here is the website followfast.com. On this website, what you have to do is you just have to join this website. I have already created my account on this website. It is very easy to create account on this website. You just have to add your username, email, password, location, and in referral you have to write my name Nadeem, and you have to click on and you just have to add captcha here, and you have to click on join button. I have already make account, so I'm just going to log in right now. I just click on login button. Let me fill the captcha here 2011. I just click on login button. Now let me give you quick info about this website. Here on this website you will get points by doing some simple task. You have to like people on Facebook or YouTube, you have to dislike video, or you have to subscribe other people on YouTube, you have to follow other people on Instagram, you have to like Twitter post, or even you can follow Pinterest account. There are so many work you can do here, and for that mini work you will get point here, and you can withdraw this money directly into your PayPal account. I will show you everything step by step. First let me show you how you can earn points here. There are so many ways to earn points here, but right now I'm going to show you how you can earn points by liking pictures on Instagram. I just click here on like pictures on Instagram button, and here you can see you have to make sure guys your profile is active. You have at least cover photo uploaded, some images uploaded, and at least you should have 5 friends. You cannot do this work with empty account, otherwise you will get banned. I have everything. I have cover photo uploaded, I have 5 friends, so I am able to do this job here. So I'm just going to click here on like button, and this will open post here which I have to like, and I will get 49 points added directly into my follow fast account. So guys, here is the post is opening. You can see guys, this is the post which I have to like. Right now this post has 525 likes. I just click on like button, and I'm just going to close this tab, and this platform will verify that I like this post and my point will be added. And you can see guys, 49 points added, 330 and 49 will be added here. So let's just give few seconds, or let me refresh this page. I had 330 points. So you can see guys, 49 points added. You can do this work for all this profile. Once you finish all this profile, you can click on load more button, and you will get more posts to like. Believe me guys, this is the best way to get more coins. You can do this same work by liking other people on YouTube, but guys, for YouTube like or for YouTube subscriber, you will get very less point. Right now Instagram is on boom, so right now people are spending more points on Instagram like button. So guys, same work you can do with Twitter. I just click on Twitter like button, and you can see guys, here on Twitter you will get 49 points for every one Twitter like. It is the same job guys. You just have to click here on love button, and this will open Twitter post here. You just have to like, and you have to close this tab. Let me do this work. You can see guys, this is everything on live screen. I will also show you how you can withdraw this money directly into your PayPal account. I just click here on like button, and you can see like my like is added. You just have to wait for 4 to 5 seconds, and I just close this tab here. Now let me show you my points will be added here. You can see 49 point added, 379 plus 49 point will be added. I'm just going to refresh this page. It is not necessary you have to refresh page every time. You can see I have 49 points added. You can do this simple work, guys. In every hour, guys, you can easily earn 2000 to 3000 points if you follow the exact same method. It takes only 4 to 5 seconds to get 49 points. So guys, once you get enough point, what you have to do is you just have to click on cash out button. But guys, there are so many daily bonuses as well available. You can see, guys, you just have to click here on daily bonus. You can see if you like 3 posts in last 2 hours, you will get 25 point. And if you like 8 posts in one day, then you will get, sorry, if you like 15 posts, then you will get 100 point daily. So it is very easy, guys. You can see I have already made 8 hits, 8 likes today. So now only 7 likes left to get 100 daily points bonus. So guys, once you get some points here, what you have to do is you just have to click on cash out button, and you can see, guys, 428 points is equal to this much dollar. You should have at least $1.50 into your PayPal account, and you can withdraw. It is the minimum amount, guys. You just have to add amount here which you want to withdraw. Minimum is $1.5, and here you have to add your PayPal email address, and you can click on request cash out. Let me show you how many payouts today happen. I just click here on payouts button, and you can see, guys, so many people withdraw this money: $3, $1.50, $1.60. You can do this work easily, and you can earn money $2, $3 every hour, guys, and you can easily earn $200 to $300 every week. As I said you before at the beginning, guys, with this method you are not going to be a rich. If you want to make real money online, then I have one special offer for you. Please check out my link in the description. It will be the first link in the description. With this method, guys, you will be easily earn $10,000 per month, and it is the 100% legit and real method is like this one. So guys, there are other way to monetize this point. What you can do is, guys, here with this platform you can get like on your Instagram post, on your YouTube post, or you can get YouTube subscribers as well, or you can get traffic to your website or your client's website. What you can do is, guys, you can come here on SEOclerk.com or Fiverr.com. Here you can sell Instagram follower, Twitter follower, or Facebook follower. You can sell anything. Even you can sell website traffic here. Believe me, guys, here you will get 100% real traffic and 100% real like on all this social media platform. It's like I show, guys, I am real person, and I give real like to other people post. So guys, same happen with you. If you get order here on this SEO Clerk or Fiverr.com for Twitter follower, Instagram follower, any social media follower, you can come here, and here you can add your client website or Facebook link or Instagram link, YouTube link, anything you can add here, and you can get follower. You can get Instagram follower here. You just have to get your client Instagram profile, and here you have to add your client Instagram profile, and here you have to set point. So guys, for every follow, this much point will be cut from your total balance. So guys, you can add 7 point for one follow. It is 7 or 8. I would recommend you to add, and for one follow 8 point will be cut. And in this way, guys, you can earn more money. You can sell here 1000 Instagram follower, or on SEO Clerk you can sell 1000 Instagram follower for $5 to $10. You will get order easily here on this website. It is very easy, guys. So many people are doing the same work here. If you search profile follower, then you will see, guys, so many services are available in which people are selling different social media follower here. People are selling Instagram follower, Twitter follower, Facebook follower here. I just type profile follower. You have to type as well profile follower, and you will see, guys, so many services are available. I'm very sorry for my bad internet connection and my bad English, guys. Internet speed is really bad, guys, because of lockdown and coronavirus. I don't know when this issue will be get solved. And guys, I'm also very sorry for my bad English. I know my English is not very much good, but still I try to make video only in English, so guys I can help maximum people. So I'm very sorry for that guys. You can see here I type just profile follower, and you can see guys so many services are available. Quora, Upworks, 1000 follower. You can see guys this person is selling Instagram follower, 1000 Instagram follower for $10, and this person has already sold 2400 plus services. You can imagine guys, 2400 plus services and $10 is starting price. You can see guys how much money this person has already make. So guys, you can do this work manually as well. You just have to come here on SEO Clerk and you have to type profile follower, and you will get all these services. And guys, here with this website you can earn points, and you can convert your point into the follower, Instagram follower, which you can sell on SEO Clerk or on Fiverr.com. It is very easy guys. Another thing which you can do, you can click on buy point button, and you can buy point here. You can see guys 75,000 point only for $20. So guys, you can understand guys, if you invest $10 for 1 point, then let me calculate here. I'm just going to open calculator. I just open calculator here. This person is selling 1000 Instagram follower for $10. So guys, here you are going to get 75,000 Instagram point. So guys, I just type 75,000 here. Suppose you are giving 10 point for 1 Instagram follower. So let me divide by 10. Then you are going to get 7,500 follower for $20. And here on this website you can sell 1000 Instagram follower or 2000 Instagram follower. Here you can see guys 2000 Instagram follower available for $40. You can imagine guys how much money you can make. You can sell 1000 Instagram follower for just $10, and here with this website you can get 7,500 follower only for $20. So guys, this is real method guys, and this is real business. This is how business work. You can convert this point directly into your PayPal account, or you can use this point to sell Instagram follower on SEO Clerk. It is very easy guys. You can see so many people like on every second guys. It is 100% trusted website guys. Let me click on Alexa and let me show you. You can see guys this website is mostly used in US, and it has 20,000 worldwide rank. It is amazing guys, and it is 100% trusted website guys. I would highly recommend you to join this website. So guys, I hope you will understand. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give me a like on this video. It will motivate me a lot. Or if you have any question guys, please feel free to ask me. I would love to help you. So guys, thank you so much guys. Please also don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more and more quality videos. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day. Stay safe.